Hello, I'm Janelle Bruland, founder and CEO of MSNW. I'm really excited to spend this time with you today. If you are new to our company, let me be the first to welcome you to MSNW. I'm very glad that you're here and part of our team. Back in 1995, I started MSNW out of the living room of my home with about 10 team members. I was actually 9 months pregnant at the time, and I thought that having a small cleaning company would be a great side investment while raising my family. I won't forget our first meeting in the living room of my home. As I met with our small team at that time, I let them know that I didn't know much about the cleaning industry, but I knew that they would help me and teach me. But I knew something about business and management, and that together we could serve our clients well. But I didn't know the role that we were going to play as the company grew. I saw that our clients were overwhelmed with having to take care of their facility services, not just the cleaning, but everything to do with their facility. And as we began to build trust, they began to ask us, do you know someone who could take care of our landscaping services? Who do you know that could paint our facility? Do you know who could come change our lights? And I saw that we had an important role that we could play, that we could take the burden of facilities off of our clients. And that's how, over a number of years, we added services, we grew with our clients, and we are now a regional company today in multi-states with over 400 team members and over 100 subcontracting partners. And together, we take care of it. We take care of our customer, our client partners' facilities as if they were our own. With MSNW, they know they have a long-term partner. We're not just a company who's taking care of this need or that need in their facilities, but we're a partner that they can work with, that they can be aligned with, that can meet today's needs for their facilities and tomorrow's needs for their facilities.